5 NBA prize picks for today. It is Tuesday, April 30th. Let's go to the board as we look to win 10x. All right, this is the DFS Army Proptimizer. It compares prize pick lines, sportsbook odds, and our projection model to help you find plus EV plays. Play number 1. It's TJ McConnell, more than 3.5 assists. It's lined at minus 139 over at Caesars. You can see all the sportsbook odds right here. Projection model has it at 4.44. He's only playing between 15 and 18 minutes, and he still put up 8 assists last time out against the Bucks. And you got Tyrese Halliburton dealing with an injury. If he happens to go down, McConnell will get even more playing time. Not really something to make the play a lock, but it's that it actually helps you lock it in just a little bit, makes you feel a little better about it, is what I should say. He's been over 2 of the 4 games in this series, 3 of the last 5 overall. I got decent form. I got good projections. I got solid odds. Can't tell. I think it checks all the boxes here. Let's head on over to prize picks. We'll find TJ McConnell. Got to be in here somewhere. Probably not spelling it right. Part of it doing it live. There we go. There's TJ McConnell. And go more than 3.5 assists. That is play number 1. Back to the Proptimizer. I need to scroll up real quick because the odds updated live throughout the day. I thought we had a Jalen Brunson play in here, but part of this tool being updated. Sometimes you got to go a little bit further down. We'll see if it make an adjustment on the fly or if the odds just got bumped a little bit. Or the prize pick lines. The tool, keeps up with all of that stuff. Play number 2, though, we're going to go Donovan Mitchell, more than 5 assists. The fact you get a push on 5 provides value. That's why, this line at minus 130 over on DraftKings probably shouldn't be bumped. These other odds indicate that's probably why it has been bumped all the way up to minus 155 on BetMGM for an under. But FanDuel's that minus 136 number. He has been, let's change the 5, 10, 15 tool here in a second. 2-2 in this series, 2-1 in his last 5 games. Last 10, 6 wins, 3 losses, 1 push. If the last 5, 10, 15 is your thing. So good odds because of the push. Projection model, 5.26. Projecting him over. Form is over. Odds are good enough with the push. Head on over to prize picks. As you can see, this tool makes it that easy. Donovan Mitchell. Don't pick the rebounds. We'll pick the assists. That is play number 2. Going to have 5 plays for you today. Real quick, though, before the other 3. If you want to try this tool, join DFS Army. You can get it for free for 2 months. Use my code SNIPER on prize picks, underdog, sleeper. Use the code SNIPER. You get a 100% deposit match up to $100 and 2 free months of this tool and all the picks and plays in the Discord at DFS Army. Links are down below for that. Okay, back to the board. Let's go find play number 3. And we're looking at Miles McBride, more than 1.5 3-pointers made for the Knicks. Eventually, somebody other than Jalen Brunson has to score, right? McBride's actually playing well. Just Brunson is on another planet right now. By the way, do me a favor, if you didn't already, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment with what your favorite play of the day is. But mostly, hit the like for me. You'll be surprised how much that helps. Miles McBride, the odds here, minus 140 over at PointsBet and BetMGM. Projection model has him just shy of 2 3-pointers made at 1.97. 3-1 in this series. I got good form, especially against the 76ers here in the playoffs. Good projection at 1.97. That odds value. Check those 3 boxes. Head on over, and we make our play. Miles McBride, more than 1.5 3-pointers made. That is play number 3. As you can see, everything gets updated on the fly here. There's play number 4, and then we might have to go hunting a little bit because I leave the ones I'm going to play open. And I think Jalen Brunson might have got taken off the board or is getting updated. Regardless, play number 4 right now, we got Caris LeVert, more than 11.5 points plus assists. And you know what? I think this may be an error here. Oh, no. Did like this play. So he's been under 3 of the 4 games in this series. Extended out 7 of the last 10. Because I like this because it's a little bit correlative in that we're on the Donovan Mitchell assist. LeVert's been down a little bit. We're really looking at the scoring here. The assists are the bonus. It's minus 135 over on BetMGM. and Caesars. PointsBet has it lined at 12.5. A little bit of juice to the under there, but still, projection model really likes this one. It kind of pushed me over the edge here, 13.85. I think we get a bounce back spot here from Caris LeVert, and it kind of pairs well with the Donovan Mitchell assist play. So back over to Prize Picks. Find Caris LeVert. More than 11.5 points and assists is where we are looking at as play number 4. Now we got to find one more play to make sure we get the 10x here. We got to scroll down. Pardon my scrolling for a second. Let's go to page 2 and see if Jalen Brunson just got moved. Here it is. Did like this play, though. I got to have a little bit of Jalen Brunson with the way he is playing. But look at the rebound prop. We're going to go Jalen Brunson more than 4 rebounds as play number 5. Projection model is just over at 4.18. He hasn't made it in the last 2 games, but one of those is a push. I'll take the value on the push. You know, the odds where they are. Everyone goes, oh, the under is juiced to minus 150, but you get a push on 4. It's really important to note that. Projection model is over. Last 5 games, 3 wins, 1 push, 1 loss. Obviously, that means 2 1-1 in the series. Last 10 games, it would be 5 wins, 4 losses, 1 push. Projection model over. You see all the minutes Jalen Brunson is getting. I think he'll be on the boards again. I mean, he's only chalked this number once in this series. Checks all the boxes here for the 5th play. For today's video, we'll head on over to Prize Picks. My keyboard being a little slow here. Let's just delete this way. I hate to have to re-record a whole video because of keyboard issue. But that is play number 5. That's what we got for today, all from the DFS Army Proptimizer. If you didn't already, hit the like button. Here's a recap. TJ McConnell, more than 3.5 assists. Donovan Mitchell, more than 5 assists. Miles McBride, more than 1.5 3-pointers made. Caris LeVert, more than 11.5 points plus assists. And Jalen Brunson, more than 4 rebounds. Lock that in, make the play. That's what we have for today. One more time, I'll ask you to hit the like button. Hopefully, let's cash this 10x. Here's your daily reminder that whether or not you are a DFS Army member, you probably should be. Hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in Discord. Good luck, and I'll see you next time.